Hey you, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today I'm going to show you how to put together Cricut Design Space's newest pop-up card. It's the graduation cap pop-up card. To find it, just head into projects. And right now it's showing on the first page, but you could go to cards, type in pop-up, there it is. I went right past it, completely missed it. And again, called the graduation cap pop-up card. So there it is there. I've already got it on my screen, so we'll head back there. I have deleted the envelope because I'm just showing you how to put the card together. I did have to make the card smaller to fit my standard 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So you can see the main part of the card is just over 10.5 inches wide. So I'll get this cut out and let's put this together. Here is everything cut out. So it's not a lot of pieces. This one's actually pretty easy to put together. So we're going to start with our main part of our pop-up and just fold in all your score lines. And it's going to get glued like that. But before we go to that step, we have two different tabs. So the ones on the inside of the curve, you fold inwards. And then the outside of the curve, you fold outwards. So let's get some glue. Not sure why my glue's not coming out very nicely. Probably don't have the lid open all the way. That all glued together. We'll put that off to the side. This is the main part of our cap. It does have a score line, so we're going to go ahead and fold that. And then on the outside, so this is the outside here, we're going to glue this on the Design Space. They wanted a darker gray. I went with black glitter. So you're just going to attach those like that. I think that black glitter looks fantastic. Trying to get that as even as possible. Go ahead and do the other side. And if you don't have glitter paper or a glitter color that would work, that's okay. Use whatever you have. If you don't have black and gray cardstock, use a different color. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, it's dry enough, so next we're going to attach this piece. And what you want to do, it attaches in the center, and you want to go about halfway over the circle. And then you just glue it on an angle. So hopefully I don't make a big mess of this. I probably went too far down with my glue. Okay, so remember, you want to go in the center. It's about center. Let's wipe off that excess glue. we go. And I got a bit more on the back side. I'll wipe that off. So we'll let that dry as well. Okay, our next step is to attach the top of the hat to the base of the hat. So you'll have a natural fold like that, so you have your tabs in the center, and remember these ones fold inwards. And you're going to line up exactly like that and glue both tabs in. Again, if you want to use double-sided tape for this, go right ahead. I don't want my glue to ooze out, so I'm just kind of doing in the center. And it's hard to see with the black. Go. Let's give that a chance to dry. Okay, our next part is to attach the hat to the inserts. So I'm going to use my tape glider for that. And try your best not to bend the tassel. It is kind of in the way at this point. So yeah, so make sure you can pull the tab all the way through and fold it each way, then you know it is on there straight. Make sure to also line up the two inserts so you know that they're lined up as well. There. There it is, opening it up. Looks like I've got my tassel just a little, should have been coming that way a bit more. So it is going to get messed up in there. So I will remove that and reattach it. Okay, all that is left is to attach this part to our card. So make sure you have everything the right way up, because the little cutouts are of a graduation cap and you don't want them to be upside down. Let's fold our card. Get it all even. So I'm just going to go around the cap. Then I'll do kind of the outside. This part. Then that way you won't get tape showing through the cutout. Just trying to get that in there even. Looks pretty good. Let's do the back. looks like my card shifted a little bit. Just being one of those days. I will fix that, and I'll show you the final reveal. Here is the final reveal. My gray seems just a little dark, so if I make this again, I'll go with a slightly lighter gray, but I might actually do different colors. If you wanted to write on the front of this, it would look great in a metallic gold or a metallic silver. Just an FYI for you, but let's open it up. There's the top of our hat. There's a side view. It's not bad. Definitely looks more like a hat that way than from the side. But I think the glitter paper looks fantastic. It's a little finicky, but it's not bad. So great card to give someone if they're graduating, whether it be ECS, kindergarten, all the way up to college, university, and all those grades in between where you graduate from one school to the next. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.